Gen X Jefferson coming at you from upstate New York, where there's a blizzard happening. And we've gotten like 2 feet of snow. And I'm about to attempt to fly this DJI Avata in this condition and see what happens. Comment below if you've ever visited or you live in upstate New York. It's 23 degrees, snowing, and there's a winter storm warning. You're not even supposed to drive, yet you can fly a drone. Some of us can. The drone held up well. The wind was a little rough for it, but it's light, so I wasn't surprised. But it handled the snow like a fucking champ. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Peace. I can't talk, I'm cold, my fingers are cold, the camera's cold,